All right, so to make all these whole things work, first thing is you need a business Facebook page or Facebook business page. These examples of Facebook business page is a page that you create like a YouTube channel where you'll be posting content. It's very important for you to use a business page more than using a profile page. So I don't recommend using a profile page, but rather use a business page. So this is one of the business page. I just set it up and it's very easy and simple to set or create a business page. What that you need is what? Go to Facebook. If you come here, you have this one here. Let me go and click on see more, and then it will open here. We have pages here. If you click on the pages, you come here. We have so many pages that have been created and been managing, and so you get access to what create. And so if I type on the page right here, there are a lot of stuff that you can do. If you look at here, we have the background image here. This is it. You can just go to Google and search for any image about football, then you download it, you come here and upload that background image here. So this is a background image representing a football, and then we have this profile picture. You can also get some from Google, and after downloading it, you can use ChatGPT to what make edit or to edit it for you. If you scroll down, we have a lot of stuff that you can do about it. So if you come to settings, we have a lot of stuff you can do about the settings to make sure your page is fully active. The next thing is finding the video. So let's head into it. To find a football video like this or an image like this in post is very easy and simple. First, let's look at how to find the football videos. The first thing is you can go to social media like TikTok. Let us come from TikTok. All that you're supposed to do is open your TikTok account, go in and search for pages that post about the football matches. They post about football matches, and then you follow those pages. Okay, so you can search for FIFA. You can search for FIFA World Cup 2026. All these things are names that you can find that post about football images or football videos. Then you download them. The next thing is you can use Instagram. Download Instagram or open Instagram on your browser, and then you sign up. The same thing you did on TikTok, you did that same thing on Instagram. You can also find some on Facebook, and you can also use this website called Footballer. Footballer is a football website which posts about football content, and it has a free image, a free to air football full videos, highlights and stuff that you can find on this platform. So for instance, if I'm searching for a player like Semenyo, I'll just enter the name here, then I hit on next. So if you hover your mouse here, you see this one here. We have search player and search team. Okay, so you can select any of them and search for the one that you're looking for. So we have Semenyo here, another Semenyo here. So if you look at here, we have player, the matches you have played, FIFA up to national team and stuff. If I come to goals, it would show me the goals that this player have not played. And one thing is you can't find any download button from this website to be able to download the content, right? So if I look at here, there's no button that I can find the download button to download. So what you're supposed to do is come to the empty space like this where I've hovered the mouse, the empty space, not on the video. Then you come in and hit on inspect. So this one will pop up. What you're supposed to do is hit on playing the image, the video. Then you come to this side here, go to where it says network. Once the video is playing, you see something like this pop up, and right click and open it in a new tab. So if you open it in a new tab, you see this is the video. Then you come to this side, then you see the download button here, then you download the video, and this video you can edit it and then you post it. And on TikTok, the best thing is use any TikTok downloader to stay away from the TikTok watermarks and stuff. Okay, next thing, let's look at how to get the images. To get the images, we have Google can give you all the images, and at times if you follow the clubs and stuff on Facebook and stuff too, you can get the image. So if I come to Google and search for World Cup 2026, because the match having been started, you see there are a lot of stuff that you're been popping up from all the nations, from FIFA and stuff. So all these things are popping up that you can download it and you post it. Okay, and I will show you how to edit the image so that you not get any copyright strike from it. After you have getting the images, for instance, let's say I want to edit something, or I want to get the image like this. Let me click on this image. Okay, I have this image here. Let me click on it. I want to download this. There's no watermarks on it, so right click it, go to save as, hit on it, and I'll save the image, right? So I'm going to use it to edit, to show you how you can get some edit from it. So I'll come here and then search for ChatGPT. I'll go to this website called Gemini, and then I'll put this prompt here. Hello, I want to post something about the upcoming FIFA World Cup. If the World Cup is going on, you can use that one. If it is not, it haven't been started, you can just say they are coming, because this one, the match is not yet started. Okay, and if you scroll down here, I asked ChatGPT to give me some trending news and stuff, and it has just generated this one for me, and it will show you how you cannot post all the stuff on your Facebook account. Okay, and if you look at here, there are some of these the caption and stuff. It is what showing me the date Blaster is going to start their first match with Panama. So I can use a player like Kudus and stuff to write or edit that one also, right? Okay, so I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll just come in, and then the image download. So let me go for the picture. So ChatGPT is going to edit it. So I want you to add Mohamed Kudus beside this cap. He's a Ghanaian player. Then I introduce the player. Right under it, Ghana played against Panama on 7th June. It's a Facebook post, so it's make sure you use the Facebook dimension, okay? Because sometimes it will use any other stars for you, okay? So it is making everything for me. So I wait for everything. When it's done, then you go in and you want to, so Facebook, or in case I want to make a post, I'll go to the post section, and then if I want to say something, I'll just come in and then go to Gemini, go and check for what Gemini gave us. So Gemini gave us this one. We copy it, we come here, we paste it. What you're supposed to do is to make some edit from this one, and then we come to add image. Voila, so the image is now ready. So Mohamed Kudus, Ghana played against Panama on 17th June. So this one is what is what generated for us. So I can just download it. Then I come to my Facebook again, go to the image section. I know that Gemini will write everything and give you caption and stuff. So this is the image and the picture. So this shows that everything that I can post right here. So I'll just go and hit on post, and then come here and hit on next. All right, so it's just a simple method for you to post something like this. Since we have gotten the video, here comes the magic, the editing aspect. This is very important because that gives a different change to your video. So if you look at the background video playing, you see we have made a lot of stuff about this video, post it on any social media platform. It's very hard for us to get a copyright issue. The only thing that we have, or the only problem that we have is here, is the watermarks that we have around this area, that we need to remove the watermarks, and I'll show you the best way that you can stay away from those watermarks and stuff. So I have my two videos that I've downloaded here. So I'm going to use CapCut for the editing. Okay, so this is the video right here that I'm edit right here. And if you look at the video right here, send the video to my timeline. So if I hover the mouse here, I can see everything and review everything of this video. One thing is the audios, because FIFA or football matches come with a commentary, that their commentary section and stuff. And then two is the logo. We need to pay attention to the logo. Okay, if there is a watermark or a logo on it, we need to make sure we remove that one from it, right? The main thing that we are coming to do is to add and a text, and then edit the video, give some small magic editing onto the video. So my first thing to do is to remove audio. And to do that on free CapCut, I need to come to the audio section here, and this is the volume of the audio. I will take it off. So the next thing is I will give some lightening, some contrast, sharpness and stuff, color grading and stuff to make it different stuff. So I come to the adjust section on my CapCut, and then I will scroll down. This is the adjust section. I can use the color tempering, change it. You see, I've changed it to a different mode. If I send it here, I've changed it to the different mode. And if I come to the tight, I can also do different styles here. So all these things you can apply it to make a different change to your video. The effect section is very important to me. Let me hit on the sharpen, and I sharpen it. And then the clarity, let me also increase the clarity, and then increase the patterns more, particles. Okay, if I increase it more, you see how it will look like. So let me leave it like that, and then increase this one also small, because I'm giving a different change to the video right here. And then I'll scroll down here and come to the highlights. I can give it highlights. Okay, let me increase the exposure because I want to give the video a different look. So let's preview the video or play the video and see the outcome of the video. So when I play it, you see there have been a different change to this video right away. Okay, the next thing is I can add an audio. So I come to the audio section, and then there are so many audios that we have right here that you can pick from, and make sure the audios, they are copyright free. And to get a copyright free audio for your video, just go to YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio, you can get some of them from YouTube Studio. So here come where the audio starts. Then let's play it and see. It's very loud, so we can decrease it by doing it like this. It's too small. Let's increase it a little bit. Done with the audio section. And for audio, you can add an audio effect. You look into the video, every touch and pass, how the touches and the pass are going on, and then bring a text effect. So I come to the start of the video, I bring a text effect. So when I play it, so the text, I'll come here and go to the text effect. So this is what the format text. I'll bring it here. The players, who is it, the ball is now hot silver. So I'll just enter and then come in here and change the color, then go in and select stroke. Okay, so this is the stroke. I'll select the stroke. You can increase it or decrease it. So where is the player? So I'll hit on it, silver. I'll go in and put it at where silver is, right? If I want to follow silver, I'll just make it follow it. If I want it, I will just put it here, and then come to tracking. So we have tracking here, but before we do the tracking, let's come here and then cut and delete, because it ends here. So now what we are going to do is to track it. Okay, make sure that the text follow silver. So let me play it and see. You see it doesn't follow him. Okay, so what you are going to do is you select the text, you come here, you see tracking. I'll hit on the tracking, then I'll click on the tracking. So the track, which player are we tracking? So silver. I'll come here and click on this box and put where the plus is. Okay, you have a certain plus sign. So the plus sign, you want the plus sign to follow who? Silver. Is it the head, the hand, or what? And then I click on what. Make sure I select scale follow tracking object, distance following tracking object. Then I click on start. Then it will load. So you see the text is following him. So the next text will be what? It will be for Haaland. So I drop the other one here. Where did Haaland also stop? So that's how you edit it. Okay, if you want to add the text, that's how we do it.